it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I wrote about it in a book, the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. I hope you get it and read it. And I wonder what you think about it. Pray tell. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. I do that with life coaching and closet organization. I personally believe that every woman deserves to love the process of getting dressed every day. And that is what I do. Now, a tool that I use to help women to do this is called the Edit. It is very simple, and I highly encourage you to try it out. This is a honing exercise. That just means you are polishing what you already have, and I'll show you how to do it. At the end of the day, you ask yourself 3 questions. Question number 1, what worked? So you look at your choices for the day and you ask yourself, what worked? So today, I wore my white pants and my white linen shirt and my new blue flip-flops. I also wore a pair of earrings and one of my favorite bracelets right here. This was a gift from my nieces. A beautiful gift. One of my favorites. This was a gift from Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. So what worked? So these pants are fantastic. They are what you see all over your Instagram feed right now. They are the opaque white pants, which means you can wear anything underneath it and you're not going to see them. They are a shimmy type pair of pants. You have to shimmy them up. But what I am impressed with is after a long, hot day, they are still crisp. They are crisp and clean looking, and I just love that. So on a very warm summer day in July, let's see, it's 91 right now. Wearing all white was a win-win situation. So that's what worked. And I highly encourage you start with that question, and here is why. Our brain has the tendency to do what's called negativity bias. It's always looking for what's wrong. And so to force yourself to look for what's right is an exercise that will pay off in dividends when you get really good at it. So I'm saying that to tell you, you may need to practice. You may need to just ask yourself that one question until you find something. We're looking for what worked. We're looking for the positive, and I promise the more you look for what's working in your life, the more you will see it. So this is a really powerful exercise, not just for your closet, but for your entire life. What worked? I know when I'm with my parents or with my family members on vacation, we always like to do at the end of the day, what was your highlight? What was your favorite part of the day? And it's so fun to go around the room and get everyone's perspective of what they thought was the best part of the day. It's such a good way to end the day. Question number 2, what didn't work? Now, this is not a contradiction of question number 1. This is just a exercise of mining for information. and it is out of curiosity. What didn't work? What didn't work? What didn't work? Now, I'm gonna have to say, what didn't work is that my pearl earrings got loose this morning. I noticed it last night. And so this morning I was very careful when I put them in, and sure enough, they need repair. So that didn't work for me. I made a decision years ago to only wear pearl earrings. And I did that intentionally to take one more decision off my list every day. And that is a decision I have never regretted. Not once. Even throughout the day, as I looked into the mirror and saw earrings, I wasn't loving it. I wasn't loving it. For me, I just personally feel so comfortable with the little white pearl earrings, and that's it. For me, these are a bit of a distraction. I don't know. So the earrings didn't work. They also, they're a little heavy and tight and kind of hurt just a little bit. So, yeah, that didn't work. They're really cute though. Also, just for my own personal preference, linen is not my favorite because it gets so wrinkly. But I'm trying to force myself to wear it because I live in Florida, because it's hot, because it is a cooling fabric, because it does look beachy. I'm trying to force myself. And so here I am. Saying it's not working. I don't mind, but yeah, there you go. Now the third question is, what can I do to make it better? So after mining information from what worked, what didn't work, the third question is, how can I make it better? And this question is really an exercise of using your imagination. Because if something didn't work for you, you can think, how can I fix it? How can I make it better? How can I make it better? So today I fixed my pearl earrings, so they should be ready to go again tomorrow. So that will be better. I'll be back on track. How can I make it better? I can change my mind about linen, for sure, and just embrace it. But doing this exercise, really at the end of it, you may end up with an action list, and that's really the power of the edit, is the action list that you have at the end of it. You may notice that something needs to be altered, maybe something needs to be mended, maybe something needs to be thrown away, maybe you need something new, or maybe something needs to be replaced. All of those things. So I know I have a running list from doing the edit, and I am so impressed at how I've been doing. I'm probably a third of the way through my list. It's just a continual process. They don't call it curating a wardrobe for nothing. So that is how the edit works. It is so good. I hope you try it. And if you have an aha, I would love to hear about it. So I have been doing the edit for over a month now. So I can look on my Instagram grid, and this is something I noticed. There's one picture out of over a month's worth of edits that I'm like, I don't like that shirt. It looks terrible. And so I'm here to say that this shirt is going bye-bye. And you know what I think it is? I think that it is because the stripes are so large. because proportionally, like technically I'm petite. So proportionately, I think the stripes are just too wide, too large for my frame, for my face, for my features. So it's gonna go bye-bye. It's still in great shape, so I'll donate it. But that's also something to notice, like when you're doing your edit, is to notice your silhouettes. Like technically this shirt is kind of, you know, nondescript. It's very loosey-goosey. However, because the pants are fitted, it's okay to have a loosey-goosey shirt because proportionately it just works. Is that my friend Celestine? I haven't talked to you in so long. You should call me. Oh my goodness. So that is the end of the edit. Thank you for joining me. I hope this inspires you to continue to curate a wardrobe you love. Like I said in the beginning, I am a closet coach. I help women to do this. If you need help, just raise your hand. This is what I believe. You have to get dressed every day. You might as well enjoy it. You might as well rock it. Have a great night. Bye.